Hello friends, again we are with you with our new video of AP series. We have already done the formula of sum of n terms of AP and also we did the practice of these sums. Hope you are preparing the sums side by side. Let us start with example number 6. Question is the sum of how many terms of 9, 6, 3, 0, -3 and so on is minus 216. Here the question is how many terms, means we have to find out the number of terms, the counting of terms that will give us the total minus 216. Because the given sequence is the sequence of decreasing terms, so its common difference will be a negative term. Let us start the solution. The AP sequence is 9, 6, 3, 0, -3 and so on. And the sum Sn is minus 216. Here A, the first term is 9, D, the common difference will be T2 minus T1, that is 6 minus 9 equal to -3, -3. N, we have to find out how many terms, and Sn is minus 216, the sum given to us in the question. To find n, we have the formula of Sn, the sum of n terms. It is Sn equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. When we substitute the values, we get minus 216 Sn is equal to n by 2, because n we don't know, bracket 2 into a, 2 into 9, plus n again we don't know, n minus 1 as it is, into d is minus 3, bracket closed. Opening the bracket, we have minus 216 is equal to n by 2 bracket 9 2s are 18 plus minus 3 into n, minus 3n. Then minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. In the next line, 2 goes to the left hand side and multiplies with 216. We have minus 432 is equal to, here n goes inside, n into 18 plus 3, 21 is 21n, and n into minus 3n is minus 3n square. And rearranging the terms, we have a simple quadratic equation as 3n square minus 21n minus 432 is equal to 0. This whole equation contains factor 3 common, so we divide the equation by 3 and get new equation as n square minus 7n minus 144 is equal to 0. Now the solution of quadratic equation we have already discussed, so we make the factors of this equation as n minus 16 and n plus 9. Both these factors written in the brackets and product form equal to 0. Equating each factor equal to 0 and getting the value n minus 16 equal to 0 gives n equal to 16, n plus 9 equal to 0 gives n equal to minus 9. So we have the values of n as 16 and minus 9. Because the counting, the number cannot be minus, it cannot be negative, so counting number of terms will be 16. Means when we add the terms 9, 6, 3, 0, -3 and so on, and we want the sum minus 216, the number of terms should be 16, or the 16 terms will give minus 216 as total. Let us proceed further to the next example. Example 7. In an AP, A is 5, D is 3, AN is 50, find n and Sn. Here the question is to find out the total number of terms n and their sum Sn. Now we see the solution. Given A is 5, D is 3 and an is 50. N and s are the question marks. We know the formula of an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula, we substitute the given values an 50, a 5, d 3, and the equation becomes 50 is equal to 5 plus bracket n minus 1 into 3. Next step is opening the brackets. The remaining terms as it is, we write 50 is equal to 5 plus 3n minus 3. 3 get multiplied with the terms inside the bracket. Now the numbers on one side and the variable terms on the other side, we have 5 minus 3 as 2, and taken on the side of 50 it becomes minus 2. Therefore, the equation becomes 50 minus 2 equal to 3n, and 50 minus 2 is 48. So, n is 48 divided by 3 cancels, and the n answer is 16. Therefore, from general term formula we calculated n, and from here we can easily find the Sn because we are having the last term an equal to 50. So, we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus l. No need to use the bigger formula. Here we substitute the values. L can be an, the last term or nth term. Therefore, the formula becomes n by 2 a plus an in place of L, and by putting the values it becomes n is 16. So, 16 by 2 bracket a is 5, an is 50, 5 plus 50, that is 55, and outside the bracket 16 get cancelled with 2 at the table of 8. So, we have 8 multiplied by 55 is equal to 440. This is the required sum of 16 terms whose first term is 5, common difference is 3, and last term is 50. In this way, we have to manipulate the things, find out the things that are not given to us, and apply the formulas and do the suitable calculations. Do the practice of these sums from your course book also. Still, if you have any queries, you can write to us in our comment box. We will surely solve your problems. That is all for today. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for the more further videos notifications. That is all. Take care and work hard. Bye bye.